I wake up at 7 o'clock. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I wash my face every morning. I wash my face every morning.
I brush my teeth after I wake up. I brush my teeth after I wake up.
I eat breakfast before I go to work. I eat breakfast before I go to work.
I make coffee every morning. I make coffee every morning.
I get dressed for work. I get dressed for work.
I check my phone in the morning. I check my phone in the morning.
I leave the house at 8 o'clock. I leave the house at 8 o'clock.
I walk to the bus stop every day. I walk to the bus stop every day.
I wait for the bus every morning. I wait for the bus every morning.
I comb my hair every morning. I comb my hair every morning.
I shave my face before work. I shave my face before work.
I put cream on my face. I put cream on my face.
I use deodorant every day. I use deodorant every day.
I take a shower in the morning. I take a shower in the morning.
I dry myself with a towel. I dry myself with a towel.
I dry my hair with a hairdryer. I dry my hair with a hairdryer.
I use mouthwash after brushing. I use mouthwash.
I cut my nails when they are long. I cut my nails when they are long.
I look in the mirror before I leave. I look in the mirror before I leave.
I boil water for my tea. I boil water for my tea.
I cook eggs for breakfast. I cook eggs for breakfast.
I make toast in the morning. I make toast in the morning.
I drink orange juice with breakfast. I drink orange juice with breakfast.
I eat fruit every morning. I eat fruit every morning.
I wash the dishes after breakfast. I wash the dishes after breakfast.
I drink water before I eat. I drink water before I eat.
I read the news at breakfast. I read the news at breakfast.
I pack my lunch for work. I pack my lunch for work.
I take my vitamins every morning. I take my vitamins every morning.
I choose my clothes the night before.
I wear a tie for work. I wear a tie for work.
I put on my jewelry before I go out. I put on my jewelry before I go out.
I pack my bag every morning. I pack my bag every morning.
I look for my keys every morning. I look for my keys every morning.
I turn off the lights before I leave. I turn off the lights before I leave.
I lock the door when I leave. I lock the door when I leave.
I drive to work in the morning. I drive to work in the morning.
I listen to music on my way to work. I listen to music on my way to work.
I check the time so I am not late. I check the time so I am not late.
I sit by the window on the bus. I sit by the window on the bus.
I use my card to take the subway. I use my card to take the subway.
The bus is very crowded in the morning. The bus is very crowded in the morning.
I wait for the green light to cross. I wait for the green light to cross.
I buy a coffee on my way to work. I buy a coffee on my way to work.
I use my ID card to enter the office. I use my ID card to enter the office.
I take the elevator to my office. I take the elevator to my office.
I turn on my computer when I arrive. I turn on my computer when I arrive.
I say good morning to my colleagues. I say good morning to my colleagues.
I check my schedule and start my day. I check my schedule and start my day.